enhances driving entertainment, enables wireless CarPlay, seamless video streaming, easy connectivity, safer control, and improved multimedia experience for modern vehicles. My today's video is about top 5 best CarPlay video box that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Inifar AI 8 Android 13 CarPlay AI box. The Inifar AI 8 redefines in-car entertainment by transforming factory wired CarPlay into a fully wireless Android 13-powered smart multimedia hub. Beyond a simple adapter, it functions like a compact Android tablet for your dashboard, eliminating cable clutter while preserving original car controls such as steering wheel buttons, touchscreen, and knobs for seamless usability. Powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 octa-core processor, paired with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage, it delivers fast boot times, smooth app switching, and lag-free performance. Whether streaming Netflix, YouTube, or downloading apps via Google Play Store, the experience remains fluid and responsive. Its standout Cloud SIM connectivity offers flexible internet access via hotspot, physical SIM, or built-in data plans, ensuring uninterrupted streaming on the go. Combined with advanced MIMO signal technology and built-in GPS/GLONASS/Beidou, navigation is highly accurate and stable even in weak signal areas. With dual Bluetooth, ambient lighting, plug-and-play setup, and OTA updates, it delivers a premium, future-ready driving experience. Now our second product is ByNeye's CarPlay AI Box Android 13 compatible. The ByNeye's Android 13 CarPlay AI Box is a powerful upgrade for drivers looking to modernize their in-car infotainment system without replacing the factory setup. Designed primarily for vehicles with OEM wired CarPlay, it instantly transforms a traditional wired connection into a smoother, wireless Android-powered experience, unlocking a new level of convenience and entertainment on the road. Running on Android 13, it supports Wi-Fi or SIM-based connectivity, allowing users to stream videos, install apps via APK files, and access popular entertainment platforms directly from the car screen. This effectively turns your dashboard into a compact, smart device, ideal for long drives and daily commuting. IT also supports cars with wired Android Auto, though some setups may require TF card-based conversion for proper functionality. However, installation considerations like extra power supply for Toyota models and incompatibility with BMW, Nissan Leaf, Murano, and Samsung phones should be noted. With plug-and-play convenience, broad compatibility, and strong after-sale support, the ByNeye's AI box offers a reliable and feature-rich upgrade for smarter driving entertainment. Our third product is a Tata Select Magic AI CarPlay box. The AI CarPlay box delivers a significant upgrade for drivers seeking a smarter, fully wireless in-car experience while maintaining factory system stability. Designed for vehicles supporting wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto, it integrates seamlessly with existing infotainment controls such as touchscreens, touchpads, or remote controllers, ensuring intuitive operation without replacing the original system. That a standout feature is its dual Wi-Fi architecture, where one module maintains a stable CarPlay connection while the other handles internet access. This separation greatly improves streaming stability, navigation responsiveness, and overall system smoothness during multitasking. The built-in AI voice assistant powered by ChatGPT adds a futuristic layer of convenience, enabling natural conversations for navigation, entertainment, and hands-free control. Combined with the Tata Select App Store, users can expand functionality and customize their driving experience over time. Plug-and-play installation makes setup effortless, while broad compatibility with 2016-plus vehicles enhances usability. Additional features like OBD-II diagnostic support and wide cable inclusion make it a versatile, tech-forward upgrade for modern driving comfort and intelligence. Now number 4, Fami AI Box Wireless CarPlay. This wireless CarPlay AI box is a smart and practical upgrade for drivers who want to modernize their factory infotainment system without replacing it. Designed to convert wired CarPlay and wired Android Auto into a fully wireless experience, it offers a true plug-and-play setup that removes cable clutter while improving daily driving convenience. Powered by an Android-based system, the device goes beyond a simple adapter and transforms your car screen into a multifunctional smart hub. It supports navigation, music, and video apps like Google Maps, YouTube, and Netflix, giving users a complete in-car entertainment and productivity experience. One of its strongest features is multimedia flexibility, allowing playback via USB flash drives or SD cards, up to 128 gigabytes, along with HDMI support for crisp 4K output. Dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz, ensures stable connectivity for smooth streaming and app performance. Compact, wireless, and widely compatible with most factory wired CarPlay vehicles, this AI box delivers a clean, modern, and highly convenient driving experience for both drivers and passengers. And our last choice is Add-Color Android TV Box. This Android TV box, powered by Android 14.0 and the RK3518 quad-core chipset, delivers a strong balance of performance, stability, and modern smart features for home entertainment. With support for smooth 4K at 60 FPS playback, it ensures sharp visuals, fluid streaming, and responsive multitasking, making it ideal for movies, gaming, and everyday app usage without noticeable lag. The inclusion of HDR10 and advanced H.265 decoding enhances picture quality with richer colors, deeper contrast, and cinematic-level detail. Combined with 3D video support, it creates a truly immersive viewing experience on compatible displays. A standout feature is the intelligent voice remote with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing effortless control through voice commands for searching content, launching apps, and even managing smart home devices. With 2 GB RAM and 32 GB storage, plus USB 3.0 and expandable memory support, it offers flexible storage and fast data handling. Dual-band Wi-Fi 6 ensures stable, high-speed streaming, while Bluetooth 5.0 enables seamless connection to gaming controllers, keyboards, and audio devices. Overall, it is a versatile, future-ready entertainment hub for any modern TV setup. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.